Hey, what?
What's up?
How's it going?
Pretty good.
What are you up to?
I'm getting ready to go outside.
In blizzard and snowpocalypse, you have to explain this.
It is February 1st today. The start of some of the worst snow
And
and wind that Chicago has seen in probably over 30 years.
why are you doing this?
I happen to lose my last hand of poker to Joe.
This was your side bet, correct?
My side bet that I ended up losing.
So you fell on your own sword in this.
Yeah,
All
a
right.
little bit. So now I have to pay the piper and go outside
All
for a
right,
minute.
one minute.
All right.
No, 30 seconds
30
barefoot though.
seconds without your... Oh, this looks terrible.
Holy shit!
What's our time?
I don't know. It started. They were already 7 seconds into it. Oh my god. I'll come back.